يلا هم السلام يلا.
Well, family,
يا سيد أمجد.
that's good. How's everybody doing?
اه اوكي.
Still got
Ay, pero no, baka dahil sila doon ay sa atin ninyo. Ito nila, pero po lang siya yung pahan doon ko.
all good, bro. All good. Yo, what's good, family? Just go. Nah, jump right. Yeah.
Sul palco Future Live 2023.
እንዴት ናችሁ?
What's up, bro? You guys, how's everybody doing? I think today is Friday, so it's last day of the week. So I wanna have a conversation before we end this week. So that's good. Okay, today, guys, I'm looking for 3 pairs that I'm looking to trade. So the first pair is gold. Yes, sir. Okay, so the first trade that I'm looking for is gold and GPP, JPY, and USD. Actually, I'm already in 3 days. I've been holding some trade, and today I added some loss in here. I will break it down to you why I'm taking this trade. So if you want the pairs you want me to see, you can text me here and we can get to it. Okay, guys, for gold, as you guys can see at in our previous session, I think we took gold for sales. I think we secured like 100 pips, and the same thing. I want to look gold in this today. We have like German CPI, right? So if the market goes right, I think we are okay to hold this trade at the same that we hold it, right? So we have this, just like we put it last time, we have this resistance zone and we have this support zone that we've been moving. Like we have 1894 and 1981, right? So What I'm looking for gold is just I want to follow the trend, right? So if I want to keep following the trend, guys, just like we did last time, and I think I posted on the webinar. So as I think if you guys been following it, you will know why I'm going to take this trade, right? So we have this trend that we've been following, right? We have been following this trend for buys. I think we took buys till we see a 1983, right? So this is the resistance zone that we've been holding. Silence, I thought it was
Karena tuh lambok abdi.
So we have this zone that we've been holding, right? So I keep selling around this place, even though we continue pushing back up before we see a big fall, right? So as you guys can see, we have aggressive sell here and we have aggressive sell here, right? So other side of target. Yeah, I'm trying to do that, bro. I mute everybody and they keep turning on. I don't know why. Okay, so we have this aggressive sell zone, right? So what I'm looking for is what I'm looking from this is we have this zone that we still holding. If we continue pushing back up above this level, I think yesterday, even after news, we continue pushing back down because we have this zone holding strongly, right? We have this zone also holding strong. So as long as we took this zone, I think we're good to go to follow the trend. And the follow, we already break this zone and open the previous channel. So what I'm looking for gold is long term, right? If I want to hold, I want to hold till it come around the zone for the next week, right? But I don't want to say I'm gonna hold gold for the rest of the week like this because I just wanna get out, get in, and maybe secure 100 pips and come out, right? So when we come to this level, we have this also support level here. We come back for retest. We have this zone that we've been holding, strong zone. So now gold is continue pushing back up. I think for me, the only way I'm getting gold in is if I see, let me show you. If I see this trade, right? If we continue, I don't want to sell right now because I need I need something strong, right? If I want something strong, I need to hold it down and see this place, right? I don't want to sell a low volume trade, so I want to take something amazing, right? If I took this, if we see it in low momentum getting low before this place, I think we're going to sell around here, right? This is what I'm thinking. But if we continue pushing up, back up, and if momentum not going to stop even after news, I think above this level, I think I'm holding buys. So this is my thing. If we continue pushing back up like this and not gonna retest a lot around this level, maximum we can push this. Maybe 20 pips, risking 20 pips is not that much. So this is what I'm thinking. If I'm going to hold below this level, I think we're going to continue pushing back up to the previous to the previous channel, right? This is what I'm thinking for gold. So I didn't buy or anything. I can secure like maybe almost 200 pips from the 100 pips from this, but I want to keep on my own trading schedule, right? So what I'm looking for is I see these two aggressive sales. Now we will come back for retest and we continue pushing back down, right? So as long as we continue pushing back down, I think we're good to go continue in the same session. So let's let it retest. When the momentum starts slowing up, I will post for you guys the entry. If not, even though if I don't post 160 to 162 or 3 is 1963 is a good entry. Even 1962 is a good entry. Only if the momentum starts slowing. The only note to know this is if you go a little bit lower for a lower time frame, right? Now we're looking in a 1 hour time, and we can go lower. We don't want to take what we're not gonna say right now and hold here because we're not sure because momentum is still pushing and we don't want to be in the middle, right? If we want to avoid being in the middle, I think it's better to jump in when momentum starts slowing. As you guys can see, market still continue pushing back up. So we will see at the lower time frame when we see a good volume to continue pushing back down, I think we'll jump in. So for me right now, I'm just gonna hold it. We still have like 40, 50 pips going. So after that, we can easily secure 200 pips easy. Let's see, we have news. If nothing happened before the news, we'll take them. If not, we're going to hold, right? So the other thing that I'm thinking to see is today is EURUSD, right? EURUSD, I think we took EURUSD in, even though even in the free channel, also in private channel, we've been taking EURUSD last month, right? So what I'm thinking is to continue trading EURUSD is because I want to hold something nice, right? And as long as if you guys see the previous YouTube channel that I posted, or if you've been in the previous session, you know why we took this trade. I don't even delete the what is this, the trend line and everything, because uh, I've been holding some trades, and after we sell last time, I think I took buys around this price. So just like I explained last time, right? We have this trend that we've been moving from last 2-3 months, right? As long as we continue keeping this trend line, I think we're good to go. Now I took buys I think I took buys on Tuesday around here, this place, and I'm still holding, right? So what I'm looking for is we still have this channel that we opened, right? We've been moving like this between 1.75 to 1.80, right? But the thing is, even though we've been moving in this channel, we still have this open place that we've been holding, right? We still have this open place. I didn't take sales after this because we still have 200 pips, because even we resist around this place. Uh, as you guys can see, we literally bounce from this level. As you guys can see, we bounce from this level here. So I just want to follow the chain and continue pushing back up, right? So the maximum thing that I want to do is, even though this market continue pushing back down, I risk like 20 pips. So even if we come back for retest, probably we're going to come and see. Let's show you, because we already let's break this place. I don't think we're going to retest to what is this, to our trend line. I don't think we're going to continue. So the only thing that I'm saying is I want to continue pushing back up, right? If I'm doing this, let's go a little bit lower. So it looks like the market's coming back, right? But still, I'm going to hold this trend because I want to hold till I see at least up like 200 pips. We still have news, so I just want to risk 200 pips for now. I already have open position around this place, but if you go lower, you know why I'm taking this trade, because literally market has been touching and respecting our trend and just following the same the same channel, right? We have this zone that we put buys and continue pushing back up and respected highs, still come back for retest and still respect it, and still, even though you guys can see we break this resistance zone, and again we want to use this as a resistance, but we literally break this one. So I don't want to go in the fake out, and I don't want to be panicked and continue what is this out from the market. I just want to hold it because I want to secure at if I'm risking 30 pips, it's okay to secure 200 pips, right? So what I'm looking is I'm already buys around this place, and it took buys 2 days ago in here. So what I'm looking, I just want to hold this trade below this level. It's okay. Maybe we will come back for retest before we continue pushing back down up, right? But for now, I'm going to risk 20 pips and continue pushing back up. This is what I'm looking today. I don't want to complicate anything, and this is the trade that I see as simple, and I just want to hold it, right? So it looks like we are still respecting the resistance zone, but even though we passed it, it looks like we are resisting. We still have passed this resistance, So still, markets have respected the previous lows, right? So as long as we continue respecting the lows, I think we're good to go. If not, if we break this zone, risking 20 pips is okay for me, and we're going to continue pushing back up, right? This is what one looks like. Let's see. If we break this structure and come back to this zone, I think we're going to lose 20 pips, and we will look for another entry. But for what I'm looking, only USD and gold and GPB, JPY is what I'm looking today. So let's see. If you guys want me to see another pairs for you guys, I can see. Let me know. Okay. But for me, I just want to make it simple because we have news this week so much, and also today we have German CPI. I think so. I want to be secure. I just don't want to risk. I don't want to risk too much. If I see this, if I know this trade, and if it was another time, I probably risk 40 pips, 50 pips. But now we have news, so I just want to risk 20 pips and see how the market plays, right? So this is my thing, guys. And let's see. For GPB, JPY, guys, just like I put them last time, I think if you've been trading live with me, you literally will understand why I took. I'm going to take this trade, right? Even from last month, guys, I've been showing you why we've been taking GJ, right? We have just like I told you, we have aggressive sales here because we've been continuing. Let's go to daily. As you guys can see, this is the last resistance that we see, right? This is the last resistance, and we literally come back from continuing pushing back up, and we literally sells in here, aggressive sell around this place, right? So for what I'm looking for GJ, we've been moving this 100 pips move. I think last 2 weeks. I think yeah, it's 2 weeks. Last 2 weeks we've been moving this zone, right? Like, with the mark catches. I think I did everything. So I think after we close this zone, we literally have been moving in this zone. Like we have how much? Maybe yeah, 200 pips. But we didn't move 200 pips after we closed the zone. We opened a new channel around this place, right? This is where we've been trading. I think we took buys in here in previous session. We took buys around this place and we secured like 80 pips, right? So well, what I'm looking for GJs, I just want to keep following the trend and follow whatever channel is up, right? So what I'm looking, we already closed this channel and break the monthly trend line, right? As long as we continue, if we didn't break this trend at the monthly, I think we have a chance to continue pushing back up. But even though after we break it in after the news, even we come back, we didn't form anything new, because if we continue forming anything new, I think we're good to go to continue pushing back up. But for me right now, literally we opened this channel, so I want to continue just on the trend, right? If you have sales around 182 or 181, I still have some position that I opened in here. If you have position from here, I think you're good to go, because the next target I'm thinking maybe 165, right? But we literally, before we go there, I think we literally have opened a new channel, so I think we're good to go for to move in this place, right? So for the next week, I don't know if we going to achieve anything today for DJ, but for next week, I think between 176 and 179, 178 is the next target. So I think we're good to go, guys. So now I didn't take buys from here. I didn't take any buys from here. So my next target will be to continue market to continue back up. I have two ways, right? I have two places that I'm looking to sell. The first one is this one, and the next part is market just continue pushing back up from here. Next, I'm looking for it. Yeah, this is the two things that I'm looking, right? So if this is a correctional, is the correctional after news, I think we will be moving in the zone. If not, this is the thing that I want to look. So this is the two things that I'm looking today. I think we might, today is volatile, so we might have the chance to move more, but this is my thing. This is what I'm looking for today. And just like that, gold is slowing down. Let's see. Okay, guys. So if you have another question, if you have another pairs you want me to see, it's your time now. I'm here. Euro USD. All right. Okay, let's see, guys. For EURUSD, I think we've been I explained everything why I've been taking buys for EURUSD from this moment, right? So for EURUSD, is as simple it gets. Let me make it simple for you guys. If we keep the momentum, let me go a little bit higher. If you guys are new and didn't see our previous session, right? If you see, USD has been pushing up like the past till maybe to the whole year, I think, right? The whole year, 2023, the whole year we've been pushing up, right? So the thing is, we've been opening channels and being on the move for the past months. So what we've been taking from those trades is we've been following the trend and continuing pushing back up, right? But the last thing I see yesterday is after the news, even though after news we literally down like 20%, I think, right? From the news, I think 24%, right? So for what I'm looking is, this is the last thing that we open. This is the last time we have the, what is this, the lows, and we resist around this space and we support around this space, right? So for what I'm looking is we have two places that the market we have to respect, right? But we literally didn't respect the first one, because we have this channel and we are okay to go, but we literally disrespected this space. As long as the market disrespect the space, we're going to follow the same thing. We respect this space yesterday, and no, not yesterday, the day before yesterday, and we secure like, I think, 80 pips. I posted in my private channel. If you guys secure, I think that's amazing. But right now, what I'm looking for USD is the market, right? So we literally break structure. So what I'm looking for is two ways. If I'm looking, I want to hold two things. Now we have this place like 20 pips, and we have this place like 50 pips, right? So as long as we respect the previous highs, this is the new high that we open. As long as we respect this space, I want this trade to continue pushing back up, and when we finish around this zone, if we slow down here, I think we're going to continue pushing down, right? This is what I'm looking. If not, if there is a low volume around this space, we literally will come back around this zone to continue highly continue pushing down. Because if not, if volume, for me I want to skip from low volume trades, because literally after you go jump in and you secure maybe 30-40 pips, literally will come back at least another 50 pips, right? I'm not into that. I want to risk maybe 20 pips. So I think we have good sales from here. Or if we break 15, sorry, if we break 15 minutes time, maybe from here. This is what I'm looking. The only way I didn't take buys from here is I just want to keep selling, just like I put them last week. If not, and the only way I'm taking buys is if the market continue pushing back up above this level. Right now we are pushing back up right above this level and come back for retest, and I think we're good to go for buys. If not, this is the only way that I'm taking buys and sells. I think you guys can see color live. You guys can see this, right? I'm looking three things from here. For buys, I have to continue and break this zone and come back for retest, right? If I don't break the 2-hour or 1-hour time frame highs, I'm not going to jump in on USD. If we still respect the previous high, market probably will come back here and slow down and continue pushing back up. If not, if we don't break any structure in a lower time frame, it means volume is still low. So we're going to continue pushing back up a little bit more, like 50 pips, and we'll have a good sales. Understand me, right? So this is my thing. If for next week, I'm definitely gonna take UJ, but right now today I'm not taking anything. I already have this trade that I'm looking, and I'm already back in profits for this one. So this is what I'm looking. You understand, bro? I hope you understand, bro. Perfect. Okay, so this is it, guys. If you have one more pair, I can handle one more pair, but I didn't eat anything yet, so I'm about to go eat. So if you are in RNSD, don't risk more than 20 pips. We still have news, don't forget that, and we still have space. And for gold, if we continue slowing down, I'm going to post a trade. If not, I'm not going to jump in. Most people will jump on this kind of trade because they see a opportunity. Let me go lower. If you see a little bit lower, people think I'm going to jump in on this trade. I think it's better for me to miss this kind of trades because it's low volume. When it come back for retest, it's going to be hard and why pass out, right? So this is my thing, guys. This is they're showing us momentum around this place. Why we retesting here and here, right? So I want aggressive sales. I don't want to sell in here, come back for retest and wipe me out. So if I think gold, we might give us a chance today. So if I see a chance, I will post. If I don't take them, I'm not gonna post for you guys. But if I don't see them, I might probably go out for now to eat something. So if I don't see, you guys can take it. It's a good sales. And GPV is still slow, and RNSD, I think we're back in profits. So I'm gonna hold this one. Let's say, guys, for RNSD, the same thing. If you want to see the other pairs, guys, just like I explained on the previous YouTube that I posted, so you can check them and see you guys. Thank you very much. If you have questions before I close it, you can ask me. No question? No question? All right, guys. Thank you very much.